Come on, give him another bite. Hurry, he's hungry.
Okay, let's try it again. I think he's more hungry.
That's nice. Feed your brother. Gotta take care of him.
Yep.
Good job, Batman.
I feed the better.
Hurry, he needs another bite. Hurry, he needs another bite.
Okay. He needs another bite. This one? This.
Yep.
Okay, bite. He likes
Little bites, okay? Little bites.
little bites.
Yeah, because he's just a little baby.
Uh-huh.
What do little babies do?
They cry. Wah! I got some. I feed him. Oh,
Tell him to open his mouth.
open his mouth. Yeah, he likes it.
Yes, he does.
He likes to feed another brother.
Yeah, he likes when brother feeds him.
He does. Open your mouth, brother. Oh. Here he comes, brother. Open
Hey,
your
hey, smaller bite, smaller bite. Because he's going to make a mess.
I can make a mess.
Just a little bite like this.
I can make a mess like Robert. I can make a mess with the carrots.
Yeah, you made a mess with the carrots when you were a baby.
Yep, I made a mess. Open your mouth. Open the doors. Open the doors.
Make airplane sound.
Ow.
Very nice.